Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our third lecture of English. Before starting today's lecture, let's take a look on previous one. In second lecture, we learned about dictation words and their Urdu meanings, and word sentences. And today we will learn question answers. First of all, mention date, HW and day on the top of your rough binder page. Then write unit number 1, topic, and the topic is sugar and spice. After that, mention question answers, and the question number 1 is who is birthday girl? सालगिरह वाली लड़की कौन है? Answer is Madiha is birthday girl. सालगिरह वाली लड़की मदीहा है. Second question is what was the name of the cake? केक का नाम क्या था? The name of the cake was cinnamon cake. केक का नाम cinnamon cake था. The third question is who was making the cake? केक कौन बना रही थी? And the answer is Madiha was making the cake. मदीहा केक बना रही थी. The last question is was the cake soft made by मदीहा? क्या मदीहा ने जो केक बनाया था वो नरम था? No, it was as hard as a rock. नहीं, ये इतना सख्त था जैसे कि एक चट्टान. Well, students, this was our today's lecture. Now, your home task is learn all these question answers and practice it on your rough binder. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.